My best dirt bike?
Yeah. Tell your name first, though.
My name's Ziggy. My best dirt bike, starting a Norton Commando. Oh, that's it.
Oh my goodness, Mitch, you're going bald. Head on the side of the exhaust side.
Rob. Dirtbike.
Yeah. Roll that poster. Yeah, stuff it in the bag.
You have to make it inappropriate.
Boys. I want that.
Yeah. Can I get my best four-stroke impression?
You're gonna have to do one.
And last comment, I guess. Give me your best dirt bike sound.
Best dirt bike sound? Two-stroke or four-stroke?
Either one.
Okay.
You can use your hands and motions and everything.
Brah.
And there you have it, done with pro action. Going to frigging. Can you give us your best dirt bike noise?
Oh God.
You can use your hand or anything.
I don't know.
Brap, ming, ming,
yeah,
zoom, zoom.
I'll just go crash.
Awesome, thanks.
I have to put on an awfully British accent, do I, for this?
We had to put subtitles.
Yeah. Here's some bloke from across the pond who doesn't speak proper Canadian English. Oh, sorry, we recorded. Okay.
Hi, this is Monty Brown. Photobomb.
Photobomb, yeah, exactly. Oh, that's behind. He'll be in the back.
Well, you can be in this too then.
Yeah,
Ooh.
that's it.
Okay, give me your best dirt bike noise.
Ring, ding, 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 ring, ding, 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 ring,
That's what I did.
You gotta crash. Gotta crash.
Recording.
Best dirt bike noise.
My best dirt bike noise. Ding 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 ding
And typical Mitch. Ting,
Good
ting,
dick.
One, two, three.
Yep.
So we are here at Gas.
Oh, glad you know where you are.
I like to ride Hondas. Golden Wing. What is it?
We need music.
Bounce, bow, wow. Oh, wait, one more thing.
Yep.
Give us your best dirt bike noise you can give.
Oh, when I crash.
And that's Gas. Protection-wise, armor, what do you recommend?
Trojan.
Trojan?
Trojan brand.
Trojan?
Oh, you're not talking. Oh, you're talking about motorcycle gear? Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Let's go. Okay, back on the dirt bikes. The
okay.
brap, ming, ming, zoom, zoom.
Okay, back to. Oh, I thought you. Okay, motorcycles.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know EVS.
Dominique from Cow. Okay. Well, down here at the KTM booth with
Danica White.
how are?
Do the Jonathan like.
We can't do that? You can hear me? This is a weird microphone though.
It's big and black.
Just look straight.
I think that would have been heard in it.
Yeah, you are. Well, you know what?
Level. With CycleWorks, and we're gonna ask her a few questions. So.
Just keep going. Let's cut.
Can you give us your best dirt bike noise?
No.
All right. Well, I guess that's a wrap. Are we going?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm here at Yamaha with...
With Jacek. Keep going.
Okay. Woo.
The intake system is going from the old exhaust way. Okay, I screw up.
That's okay. We cut it out.
Uh,
Last thing, give us your best dirt bike noise. 2-stroke noise or 4-stroke noise, doesn't matter, just your best dirt bike noise.
Brap.
Yes! That is awesome.
Okay, right now we'll go and talk with Ron Newman. No, one more time.
Check. Check 1, 2, 3. Little louder, little louder.
Little louder.
So we're...
Hey.
Hi.
How you doing? Did you get your bikes?
Can you give us your best 2-stroke noise?
No, I can't do that.
Oh, cool. You can try. You can try.
Darling, get in here. Oh, this is putting me on the spot. Where's Jacek? I need Jacek. Okay, that's it. Sorry.
That's it. That's it.
That's pathetic, I know, but that's it.
How about a 2-stroke going over whoops? And that is Ron Newman, everyone. That's awesome. Day 3 of the Calgary Motorcycle Show, and I'm down here at the Honda booth.
And here we are watching Krista doing her trick riding again. Brah! Backflip. Over the top again. No helmet, no gear. Can't believe her. Anyway, brah.
There you go. Hi. Hey, you're taller than me.
Technical advisor.
So what does that entail?
Everything from setting up races, making sure that we have everything we need to put on an event, setting up the tower. We used to call it the Tower of Power, but it was the Tower of Terror on Thursday night, trying to get everything going. And it's Dale. Dale over there helped me. It's Dale, right? Yeah. We do trials, we do hare scrambles, cross countries if you're in for a little longer trail. And also if why?
But he's doing the Nazi walk behind you.
Why was he doing?
Nazi walk.
Like,
Yeah.
as a joke?
Maybe. Laughing there.
All right.
Anyway.
I'm on right now. Okay. Hi guys, this is Mitch with the Second Gear Club, and I'm here at Power Go getting a massage with this crazy Predator type massaging chair thing. It's feeling pretty good. You should come on down and get one of these bad boys. They are fantastic. And I'm going to be here for a little bit, so we'll take you out on a tour.
You should ask Kristi how it is. No. A little bit.
A little bit? Be good. How's it feel?
Good.
The chair's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's working. All right. So we're going to leave you with a little YouTube video from a man named Sam.
But and I cannot lie, you other brothers can't deny that when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull up tough, cause you notice that butt was stuffed.
And that was my 4-stroke.
That's the 4-stroke.
Oh yeah, we can do the 500. That's the 500. Okay.